AI sounds super complicated, right? But it's actually not. Let me explain it to you like you're 12 years old. Imagine you have a parrot. But this isn't just any parrot. It's an incredibly smart one. This parrot has read millions and millions of books. It knows almost every story, every fact, and every sentence ever written. But there's one critical thing this parrot cannot do. It cannot think. It has no original thoughts. AI at its core works exactly the same way. AI doesn't truly understand the world. It doesn't know what a dog is or why the sky is blue. What it does is look for patterns. It's a master pattern spotter. It analyzes massive amounts of data, like all the text on the internet, and learns to predict what comes next. So when you ask an AI a question, it isn't searching for the truth. It's not trying to give you the most accurate answer. Instead, it's predicting the most likely sequence of words that should follow your question, based on everything it has seen before. This is why AI can sound incredibly confident, even when it's completely wrong. Its confidence doesn't come from understanding, it comes from the language patterns it has learned. Fluent language sounds confident to us, but for the AI, it's just a statistical game. Think about how you learned to speak as a child. You heard words over and over again. You started to notice patterns. If someone said good, you learned that morning often followed. AI does the exact same thing, just on a gigantic scale and without any self-awareness. It doesn't know what's right or wrong, moral or immoral. It only knows what word usually follows another. Here's a super simple example. If I say, the sky is, what's the first word that pops into your head? Probably blue. An AI would think the same thing. Not because it has ever seen the sky or understands what color is, but because in the millions of texts it has analyzed, the phrase "the sky is blue" appeared countless times. It's just predicting the most probable next word. Now imagine this simple prediction happening at a massive, massive scale. AI reads billions of sentences, learns all the intricate patterns of human language, and then just keeps predicting the next word, and the next, and the next. That's really it. That's the big secret. So why does it feel so intelligent? Because as humans, we are wired to associate fluent, coherent language with thinking and intelligence. AI leverages that human bias. It creates the illusion of thought because its output looks like something a thinking person would produce. Understanding this is incredibly important for your career and for any students watching this. AI will not replace people who can think critically. It will replace tasks that are repetitive and follow predictable patterns. Things like writing a basic email, summarizing a long document, or generating a first draft of a report. These are all pattern-based tasks, but what AI cannot do is decide what truly matters. It can't set goals for a project. It can't understand the unique context of your business problem or your personal life. That's why AI is a tool, not a replacement for your brain. In your career, AI is most powerful when you are already an expert in your field. If you don't understand the problem you're trying to solve, AI won't save you. It will just help you make a mistake that sounds very professional and well written. The smartest people use AI like this. They think first. They define the problem, outline the strategy, and determine the desired outcome. Then they use AI as a powerful assistant to execute their vision faster. They use it to draft, to brainstorm, to automate the tedious parts. But they are always the one in the driver's seat. So remember this one key idea. AI is not magic. It is pattern prediction at scale. Once you truly understand that, you stop being afraid of it. You see it for what it is, a powerful tool, and you can start using it correctly to your advantage. If you want more clear, no-nonsense explanations about AI, careers, and how to get ahead, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.